Constitutional rights.
Landlords protesting the RRL program say the pilot unfairly targets compliant landlords for their renters' behavior.
These inspectors, city inspectors, are given almost like police powers.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So yun na nga guys, today ating pag-uusapan dito sa nangyari sa Brampton, Ontario. A lot of homeowners or they called landlord ang talagang nagprotesta dahil sa pilot program ng City of Government ng Brampton, Ontario, which is yung rental home inspection guys. So ang goal nila guys dito is ma-ensure yung health and safety ng mga renters. Kasi ang dami na nila guys na nare-receive ng mga complaints na regarding dito sa mga nangyayari. And sinasabi pa nga yung may mga benefits pa or may mga option pa guys na pagpipilian, which is very critical siya guys and unsafe sa mga renters natin. So tinataya na ang Brampton, Ontario ay may 1,000 international student, and most of them guys is talaga nagre-rent dito sa mga apartment na ito.
Talking about is the worst of the worst.
Brampton's mayor and city councilors say their recently launched program aimed at getting rid of illegal rentals is working.
The fact that of the ones we've had the most ferocious complaints about, that 63% are in compliance, this RRL is working.
For me is agree ako dito kasi maganda yung sinasabi at yung goal ni mayor nga at saka ng mga city councilor dito na talagang magbe-benefits ang mga citizen na nagre-renta, especially dito sa Brampton, Ontario, and hopefully for all over in the Canada.
Without such support, municipalities will struggle to manage the health and safety issues that we face.
They say those complaints include fire code and parking violations, unsanitary living conditions, and sexual exploitation, where landlords are asking female renters for sexual favors in exchange for a bed to sleep on.
The situation here is that many of these girls are afraid to speak out because they're afraid they're going to be deported. Many of them reach out to social agencies directly, which is where I receive my information from.
So yung Brampton Rental License Pilot na yan, nasa tinataya na 4,700 na yung mga home inspection na nakandak nila as of September 16, 2024. So marami sa kanila ay nagpo-protesta na bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So kasi nga ang dami ng city government na natatanggap ng mga complaint at sinasabi pa nga dito na ang daming option guys. Ito makikita nyo may mga option pa silang sinasabi dyan na para sa pagrerenta ng bahay.
We're on pace to make sure we tackle everyone. It's going to take time, but we will not relent. No matter how loud and noisy the protest is, we will not relent.
We have the constitutional right.
Landlords protesting the RRL program say the pilot unfairly targets compliant landlords for their renters' behavior.
These inspectors, city inspectors, are given almost like police powers. Tomorrow, let's say my tenant brings 2 more people, what can I do about it?
We want to clearly tell Mr. Brown, the people who are protesting, who are against this RR are compliant people. Don't call them slumlords. If they are slumlord, you are a slum mayor because you are representing the people, slum people.
At the news conference, Mayor Brown dismissed their concerns.
No matter how noisy and loud the Slum Landlord Association is, we will not bow to the pressure to ignore our requirement that you must meet building code and fire code.
Brampton councillors say that the program is much needed because it keeps vulnerable renters safe.
Our city is home to approximately 100,000 international students who deserve a safe and secure housing.
The issue has been
this social worker agrees.
Seeing a low turnover number isn't surprising. What's important is the large number of enforcements, and any activity that shuts down the bad landlords is welcomed and supported by many in social and health and human services.
So ang goal ni Mayor ng Brampton is ma-inspection muna yung mga bahay or mga units or mga apartment na paparentahan ng landlord bago sila isyuhan ng license, ng landlord license. So, para ma-prevent or ma-ensure na safety talaga yung ating mga renters. So, dahil nga sa talamhak at talagang makikita nyo guys dun sa mga nagpo-protesta is talagang yung mga lahi na yan, diba? Nagkalat talaga yung mga lahi niyan, especially sa Brampton City. So, yun nga guys, it's maganda din ito na hangarin ng city government. And sana itong programa na ito ay hindi lang for Brampton. Sana yung pilot ng Brampton ay maging magandang resulta. At tinataya nga na sa 4,700 na home inspection nila, nasa 4,200 yung na-issuehan nila ng rental license, and nasa 600 homeowners guys or landlord yung na-issuehan nila ng notice. So, yun, isa siguro sa mga, dyan sa 600 homeowners na yan, marami sa kanilang nag-join sa protest. So, that's all for today guys, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Saminado Family, and you can like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog.
I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue and clear.